Love, money, and desire goes at the next level when Rahu transit with the Venus in Aquarius. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about what happened when there is a transit of Rahu plus Venus in Aquarius. What are things that you need to be careful in, and what is the positive trend of this particular conjunction, along with the remedies that you should do to overcome the challenges. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you're getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So Venus and Rahu, the best part of this particular conjunction is that Rahu can only be controlled by Venus. So people who have a Rahu plus Venus in Aquarius, these people get comfort in life easily, and they get comfort, multiple comfort in life. As well as it has been noticed, this is a good combination to get success entrepreneur wise, business wise, money wise. But these people see lot of ups and downs in life. They see growth in life, and suddenly there is a downfall, and the reason for the downfall, they become themselves. That is, when you will take the shortcuts in life. If you have a Rahu plus Venus conjunction in the Aquarius, then Rahu will started acting like a Saturn, which is a planet of the discipline, which is a planet of the karma and the hard work. So if you have this particular conjunction and you take the shortcuts, then you will be going to face a problem career wise, money wise, as well as relationship wise. When there is a conjunction of Rahu plus Venus in the Aquarius, there is a very high possibility that you are going to find your partner within the social circle or through your friend. It has been noticed when the person have this particular type of congestion, then these people get huge success in their life, money wise, career wise, but avoid taking shortcuts in life. When we talk about the love and relationship, then these people are attracted towards a very unconventional love. And one thing that you need, make sure that you're keeping your love relationship secretive. This particular congestion gives lot of craving about love, luxury, romance, money, success, and sometimes these people crave a lot and start taking the shortcuts, due to which they started facing the problem. So make sure, if you have such congestion, you are blessed by the universe. Only that you need to take care of that you are not taking any shortcuts in life. You're already blessed by the universe, money wise, career wise. Only you have to take, avoid taking any shortcuts. You see lot of ups and downs in life, career wise, finances wise, and the money wise. And the reason is you yourself. At times you become very possessive towards your love relationship. At times there is a very high possibility of your fickling mind in the love relationship, and involvement out of the marriage too, or out of your love relationship, involvement of the third party is also there. So this particular condition is good if you work as per the planet. So here the Rahu is acting as per the Saturn. So if you will put your hard work, be in discipline, and you are very passionate about your work, you just try to focus on the input rather than the output, then you will see that you are going to get the huge success too if you have this particular congestion. Risky investment may tempt you, sudden profits as well as sudden losses are there. So you can overcome the sudden losses just by being your conscious mind, focus on the input, and don't take any risky don't do any type of risky investment, because it has been noticed when people have such type of congestion, then they are very much tempted towards the risky investment too. It has been noticed when people have such type of congestion, then they become very obsessed with their partner, with the money, and because of that they started taking the shortcuts, due to which they suffer also in there. These people are very much attracted towards a foreign or the different culture. Lot of time they do emotional spending, that part they need to be conscious with. And these people need to take care of their health a lot, especially skin related problem, overthinking, anxiety. They are bad in expressing themselves, and their personalities are very extreme. They may face a problem, skin related problem, hormonal disbalance related problem, sugar related problem, and sometimes they face problem like knees or the body pain too. Very modern and forward thinking people, they always want to become a center of attraction, and they present themselves very well in the social circle too. It has been noticed that these people get huge success in field like media, technology. You can become a content creator. These people good do very well in fields like technology, like AI, and any type of things like which are connected to the digital world. Manipulation in love and money matter, and too much desire about luxury and comfort can become enemy for them, can create problems in their life. To overcome the bad effect of this particular congestion, make sure that you are not taking shortcut in life. You're not becoming greedy, because actually you are blessed by the universe, especially in this era where you're living. So this is a blissful congestion. To just make sure, avoid taking any impulsive decision, avoid taking shortcuts in life, be loyal and honest in the relationship, and to overcome the and to enhance your luck, to get the maximum benefit out of this particular transit. Make your Saturn planet very strong. To make your Saturn planet strong and to remove the ill effect of the Saturn, wear the ebony wood. Along with this, start praying to Lord Saturn, that is, start chanting the mantra Om Sham Shanacharaya Nama. Avoid wearing black and blue color clothes, start wearing more white color clothes. As much as you will be honest, you will be stop manipulating others in your love relationship, money wise. Gradually and slowly you are going to notice you are going to get the success. The one success mantra for the people who have this congestion is that stop manipulation, stop taking shortcuts, start working as per the Saturn. This is actually a blissful congestion, especially for the people, for us, being we are in a Kali Yuga era. So if you are going to follow the integrity, if you have this congestion, you are following the integrity, you are not taking the shortcuts in the life, you are not becoming greedy, and you are loyal in the relationship, then this particular congestion has a power to give you the huge success too. Share this video with your loved one.